Hari Om. This is Hanuman Chalisa's third verse, and actually Hanuman Chalisa starts from here. Jaya Hanumana Jnana Gunasagara Jaya Kapisha Tihu Loka Ujagara. Jaya, victory or glory. Jnana, wisdom or knowledge. Guna, virtues or qualities. Sagara, ocean. Kapisha, king of monkeys. That is Hanuman. Tihu, tree. Loka, world. Ujagara, illuminator. By just reading Jaya Hanumana Jnana Guna Sagara, Jaya Kapisha Tihu Loka Ujagara, we can understand like this. A victory to Hanuman, who is the ocean of wisdom and virtues. Victory to the king of monkeys, who illuminates three worlds. That's it. But we have to understand inner meaning of this particular verse. There is one saying in Upanishad, Tam yatha yatha upasate sa tathaiva bhavati. The way we worship the God, we become like that. It means if we start praying God with good intention and pray Him for His kindness towards us and thank Him for what we have because of His grace, we will have those things in our life, in this life and future as well. It means you say good things about God, good words about God. Those things and words materialize in our life. So, Tulsi ji is saying, Jaya Hanuman, victory to Hanuman. He is praising Lord Hanuman's victory. By praying his victory or praising his victory, our life will be victorious one. So that is why Jaya Hanuman. In this whole Hanuman Chalisa, it is not only Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Jnana Gunasagara, Jaya Kapisha, Jaya Tihu Loka Ujagara. Like that whole Hanuman Chalisa, every word you should be put pretext that Jaya thing and chant or just pray. It is not needed. Regularly you can chant regularly. But this is what exactly. Jaya Hanumana, Jaya Kapisha, Jaya Jnana Gunasagara, like that. So Hanuman, and then she said Jaya Guna Jnana Sagara. Jnana Guna Sagara. Hanuman is the ocean of wisdom and virtues. Jnana means wisdom and Guna means virtues. And with these normal eyes, we can't gauge the depth and width of the ocean. We can go, stand in front of the ocean, just see the ocean and come back. but we cannot understand the depth and width of the total ocean. The same way, we cannot gauge Hanumanji's depth of knowledge or limitless of knowledge or width of his qualities or countless virtues. So, that is why Jnana Guna Sagara, Jnana Sagara, that is Jnaninam Agraganyam, Atulita Baladamam, Hema Shailabadeham, Danu Javana Krushanam, Jnaninam Agraganyam. That is why he is Jnana Guna Sagara. He is the greatest of greats. And countless of virtues. You cannot count. Countless of good qualities he has. See, if we start praying, you are a Jnana Guna Sagara, our life will become Jnana Guna Sagara. We can accumulate knowledge in our life. We can accumulate good virtues in our life. That is why we have to pray like this. And he says, Jaya Kapisha. Tulsidas Ji actually prizing Hanumanji as Kapisha. He is the king of monkeys. It really makes us little curious. Because actual king is Sugriva. But here he is saying Kapisha as Hanuman, he referring Hanumanji as Kapisha. Here Tulsi Ji is teaching us a lesson. Of course, you have to respect a person based on his position and whatever the capabilities. At the same time, we must respect the person who possesses more knowledge and virtues and who is real guiding force behind the success of certain unit. Hanumanji is not only leader of the monkeys, who is also Jnani and who is also had lots of good virtues. Because of that, his personality overshadow Sugriva's personality. So that is why Tulsi Ji referring him as Kapisha. Not only that, he has only Jnani, not only he had good virtues, he illuminates three words. Tihu Loka Ujagar. Tihu Loka, Swargaloka, Bhuloka and Patala Loka. These are the three lokas. Three worlds. By his limitless knowledge, he lit Jnanadeepa in Swarga, Jnanadeepa in Bhuloka, Jnanadeepa in Patal Loka as well. By his countless virtues and qualities, he shows us to how to behave in certain situations, how to be obedient, how to control your senses, how to react for certain situations. So that is why he illuminates Bhuloka, Swargaloka and Pataloka as well. And his extraordinary power, he destroys all the bad qualities in this universe and puts good qualities in this universe. So that is why he is a Tihu Loka Ujagara. So he is famous in all three worlds with his immaculate qualities. That is why Jaya Hanumana, Jaya Jnana Guna Sagara, Jaya Kapisha, Jaya Tihu Loka Ujagara. That is what this particular shloka says. Atulita Bhaladamam Hema Shailabha Deham Danu Javana Krushanum Jnaninam Agraganyam. Like this. So, Hanumanji has a wonderful qualities, and he is the king of monkeys, and victory to Lord Hanuman, and he bless us in this universe, and our life must be victorious one. This is what our prayer will be, and that is it for the first verse. God bless you all. See you next time for the next verse. Hari Om. God bless you all.